Hey everybody, just a quick update. I know a lot of people, as am I, are very concerned tonight because Chris Richlife of Road Trips had an unfortunate accident on Interstate 75 near Richmond, Kentucky. I don't know the whys and wherefores of the accident, but I did get off the phone with him. And obviously, he has a lot of things to take care of right now, making a lot of phone calls and things. But I think the important takeaway from this is just the news that, I don't know, basically any accident that you can walk away from is probably better than things I've seen recently on the highway, some horrific wrecks and things coming back from Las Vegas. But does have some concern about some pulled stomach muscles and things like that, but evidently it was a fast emergency maneuver on the highway as somebody pulled in front of him with a looked to be a Jeep Cherokee or something like that. So thank goodness he is communicating well on the phone and is able to shelter tonight down there in Kentucky. And he has been in touch with the insurance company already. I don't know what the outcome of that will be, but obviously they will be inclined to probably total out a vehicle. I don't know. I've not seen any video on that yet, but I am encouraged that there was no major injuries or anything like that going on. So I did just double check and make sure that he was in a, at least he could spend the night somewhere tonight. And I think that's a good thing. And by the light of day, probably an insurance company guy, I'll be out as soon as is practical to take a look at the vehicle and then take it from there. But as I said, the important thing is no real serious personal injuries. I think it's going to be a rather difficult recovery. I've spent a lot of time around the town and country to 2016. It was a beautifully maintained vehicle in very nice conditions. So I do hate to see that be potentially totaled out. I did further hear that, yes, the guy did in fact just take off in the night, that, did come onto the highway in front of him and did not stop post-accident, which I think is you guys certainly would know how you would feel about that. Anybody that leaves the scene of an accident without ascertaining whether there are any injuries or not is not a very good thing to do. But the important update tonight is no loss of life or anything, thank goodness. And just have to play it by ear. But as promised, there is the update. I did get off the phone and wanted to share that. Probably do a video tomorrow in the light of day with the van. So have a good rest of your Saturday evening, and thanks for watching, everybody. And your prayers and thoughts are always welcome. Let's all be safe out on those highways, okay?